Hi everybody, I wanted to just step you through this really cool book. I'd never really featured it before, but this is a really big key to success on the ketogenic diet, especially if you're not losing weight and you're getting frustrated. I just want to step you through how this book can help. Now, cutting dairy, I'm from Wisconsin, so it's blasphemy to say this, but cutting dairy is a huge piece of the puzzle for anyone healing autoimmune disorders such as Hashimoto's, Graves', lots of different, pain, migraines. So cutting dairy, I love that creamy texture, so I made sure to include over 200 recipes. This book is filled with recipes that you can find something that you love, I promise, that are nice and creamy textures. But this book gives you a lot of tools too, like how to use fat as a lever. So if weight loss is your goal, I teach you how to do that in the beginning. There's also lots of different tips, like my top slow cooker recipes. I love using my slow cooker in the summer because then I don't have to heat the house up and I can go on a bike ride and come home to a nice yummy dinner. But there's also 7 meals in 6 minutes or less, dinner in 10 minutes. There's also tips on how to make single serving meals with the recipes. Lots of tips for success. Let's dive into some of the recipes. As you can see, there's a ton of recipes here. Let's see, soups and stews. There's so many soups. Everybody loves these. Let's see. Oh, I love the cilantro lime meatball soup. Everybody loves this French onion meatball soup. It makes great leftovers too that you can bring to work on busy days. Jumping into the chicken. I'm not a big chicken fan, but I pulled it out for you guys. These Asian chicken legs, they taste like sweet and sour chicken. It's delicious. There's sheet pan dinners in here, avocado bacon wrap fries. These bacon wrapped chicken fingers are delicious. My kids love them. Their favorite recipe is my simple skillet spaghetti, and I actually do a quadruple batch when I do those. Who doesn't love short ribs, right? And these fajita kebabs, those are great for summertime. And yes, the drink recipes are in there too. 0 carb margaritas, delicious. Even if you're a vegetarian, I made sure that there's a lot of vegetarian ideas in here and meal plans, while we get enough protein for those vegetarians too, because we want to build those muscles too. Egg roll in a bowl is a huge hit. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, I worked at restaurants and we had keto pink squirrels. And so I wanted to do, or we had regular pink squirrels. I wanted to make a keto pink squirrel. It's delicious, breakfast, dessert, whatever you want. There's tapioca pudding in here, some ice pops. Oh, these chocolate pudding pops are delicious. And there's a lot of protein in there. And no, there's no protein powder used, I promise. But let's get into the meal plans. There's meal plans with grocery lists for you. There's weight loss meal plans. There's even, let's see, jump to egg-free meal plans for those of you who need to be egg-free. Again, another common allergen. There's also, let's see, nightshade-free meal plans and vegetarian meal plans. So whatever your needs are, this book was a labor of love. I don't think anybody realized how much time I put into it, and I just want to say that I'm grateful for your support. I hope you have a great day.